Naniniwala ka ba kapag sinabi kong you're not gonna achieve the physique you want kung may ginagayaan ka pa ring physique dito sa social media? The reason I say this because everyone is built differently. The limb blend, the muscle insertions, the proportion of them is different compared to us. Yun yung tinatawag nating genetics. Now, huwag kang malulungkot. Kasi pwede natin yung gamitin as our advantage. All you need to do is to develop awareness. So bakit ko ba nasabing awareness? So first, if you have awareness when it comes to your training, you can recognize what your body is really good at. Kung malakas ka sa compound movements, unilateral exercise, isolation movements, kung anong program splits, workout program na nag-work sa'yo, anything, it's up to you. And gamitin mo yung strong points na yun as your foundation. Because if you already have a foundation, mas madali ka nalang mag-build ng confidence and consistency sa exercise or styles you perform. Ganon lang talaga siya kasimple. Ang mas maganda pa dito is, magagamit mo pa yung momentum na yon to improve your weaknesses too. So remember, understanding your own body helps you to train smarter, not just harder. So play with your strengths and understand what they are.